High above the green valleys of Sweden, something extraordinary is happening. Clusters of drones, each carrying tiny floating gardens, are drifting across the sky. They're not just flying, they're planting life. These are called sky gardens, mini forests suspended in midair, designed to bring dead land back to life. Each pod holds a capsule of rich soil, natural nutrients, and native seeds, carefully chosen to match the land below. Built-in moisture sensors and germination triggers ensure that when the pod lands, it knows exactly when to start growing. It's a stunning mix of robotics, reforestation, and imagination. Solar-powered rotors keep the drones in flight, while tiny atmospheric sensors constantly adjust for wind, temperature, and altitude. And they don't just fly randomly, they move in perfect swarms, guided by satellite data that pinpoints the best spots to replant. When it's time to release the seeds, the drones scatter them along with hydrogel, a special material that locks in moisture and helps young plants survive during dry months. But the real brilliance comes after the planting. Weeks later, the drones return, flying over the same areas to track how much life has returned. They analyze plant growth, soil health, and even carbon absorption. Each mission teaches the system where nature heals fastest and how to do it even better next time. It's not just automation, it's learning regeneration, a living partnership between technology and the earth. What once took human crews decades of manual labor can now happen in a single season. Entire forests reborn from the air, guided by intelligent swarms and powered by the sun. In a world losing trees faster than we can plant them, Sweden's sky gardens remind us of something powerful. That the sky doesn't only look down on nature anymore, now it's helping to rebuild it.